today we're going to be doing proportions. So, if A is over B equals to C over D, then AD equals to BC. So this is helpful in a way. So, this shows that some numbers cannot be in the proportion. So let's say this equals 1, A equals 1, B equals 2, C equals to 3, and D equals to 4. You can see it doesn't fit our proportion. Oh. But let's say we have 8 and 4 and 4 like this. And then this would fit because this would equal 16 and this would also equal to 16. And as if our equation, 4 times 4 equals to 2 times 8. Let's solve this equation. So we use the perpendicular method again. So 4 times 3 equals 5 times x. So this equals 12 equals to 5x. So divide 5 on both sides. You get x equals 12 over 5. So our next question says x minus 4 over 5 equals to 2 over 15. So the way we would do it is, well, this way there's actually a different way to do it. If you just, well, no, never mind, it's the same way. So 15 x minus 4 equals, oh no, this is 3, not 5, equals 2 times 3. Let's just change up the numbers a bit to make it a little bit easier. So 15x minus 60 equals to 6. Now you add 6. You add 60. You get 15. Let's erase all of this extra. And you get 15x equals to 66. 15 on both sides. And you get 22. X equals 22 over 5. Our next equation reads, about 8 gallons of gas can get dug 224 miles. How many miles can you get with 13 gallons of gas? So first we need to figure out how much mileage is MPG, so miles per gallon. So a simple way to do it is just divide. So this can go twice. So you get around 28 mpg, miles per gallon. So if it gets 28 miles per gallon, and then so how many can you get with 13 gallons? So m is basically like the x, and gallons equals to 13. So 28 times 13. Actually, I'm going to do the vertical method. Equals to 84. Equals to 364 miles. It's 13 gallons of gas. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and helped you solve proportions.